May, June and July of 2022, Chris Bertish will be undertaking the Trans-Pacific Wing Project, a world-first journey spanning over 50 days and 2,500 miles alone, to become the first human to wingfoil unsupported and unassisted across any ocean. Starting in Santa Barbara in California to Oahu in Hawaii, all the while standing up and raising awareness for climate action and protecting our ocean, while being powered only by the wind and a wing. After extensive alterations and upgrades to his specialized little craft with foils called the Flying Impifish, after his 212-mile ocean challenge completed in June 2021, he's now getting ready, testing, training and putting all his knowledge to good use as he readies himself to tackle the open ocean across the Pacific. Over the entire journey, all the systems on board the tiny little craft will be powered only by solar, wind and hydropower. A completely carbon net zero project, powered solely by nature, for nature, while collecting valuable data for ocean temperatures, water pH levels, noise pollution, cetacean levels, and tracking the amount of plastic pollution across the journey, and then sharing this unique and valuable data freely with the world. All money raised through this adventure once it starts will be donated towards ocean conservation projects through Conservation International and Sea Shepherd, who protect and conserve our ocean and the creatures in it. We will also be planting more than 1,000 trees through the Sea Trees Initiative and sponsoring ocean education outreach programs for disadvantaged children through the Chris Bertish Foundation and Two Oceans Education Foundation. Get involved, get on board, and let's stand up and stand together for our ocean, our planet, and take action against climate change now.